Hi everyone, welcome to Fun Learning Castle. In the last few videos, we have explored the ideas and activities to recognize the letters easily. Once a kid identifies the letter correctly, then we can move on to letter writing or letter formation. So in this video, let's see a set of activities that give a base to form the letters correctly. Instead of starting with pencil and paper, we can start off tracing the letters using salt or sand. It will create interest in writing among kids. Straight line and then back trace and then draw a curve. Okay? Can you do H for me? Can you trace H for me? Straight line. Don't. Yes.
And then go back and then curve.
Yes, correct. Can you now trace P for me? First straight line.
First straight line.
And then
a
curve. Correct. We can use toys or pom-poms or spoons to form the letters. Instead of making the kids to practice writing the letters using pencil daily, we may try this approach in between just to give them some fun while learning. Avoid using small objects for this activity if your kids still have the habit of putting things into their mouth. I have created different size lines and curves using Playdough, and he has to assemble these shapes to form the letters. For older kids, we can even ask them to create the letters without giving the shapes. It will help to improve the thinking ability of the kids apart from learning the letters. It's small p.
Oh, small p first the line and second watch first the line and second the curve.
Very good. This is the tracing worksheet binder that I have created for my little one. We can use dry erase marker to trace the letters. Write the letters with visual clues and directions. I have marked the starting point with red dot and the directions with arrow marks. Constructing the letters in the correct order, for example, in case of P, the straight line has to come first and then curve is important to avoid the future problems like writing the letters in reversal, poor appearance or speed while writing. I have also given space in below to copy the letters. We can use this binder to practice letters daily, or even we can play little fun games while tracing. For this activity, I write letters on a paper, fold it and then place them in a basket. Has to simply pick up a letter, find it and then trace the same. What's that letter? A. Okay.
And it goes.
Where is A?
Where is Panali?
Where is A?
Let me go.
Yeah, where is A?
Here.
Good. Yeah. Slanting line down.
And
Slanting line down. And one sleeping line.
Sleeping line.
Middle. Good. Next. I'll tell you a word. You have to trace the first letter, okay?
Okay.
School bus.
Okay, when we go to S1s. One. Yeah, here this I will first do the first
Okay, where to start?
from the pointing line.
Okay.
First curve.
Yes. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. We'll see you with other set of activities in my next video.